Are you tired of seeing all these small units in the new condos nowadays? Here are 3 new condos with apartments more than 1,700 square feet for you to choose from. Let's take a look. This 5-bedroom apartment in Pinetree Hill is the smallest of the 3 we are going to visit at 1,733 square feet. Coming in from the private lift, be awed by the wide and spacious living and dining area. What's grand is this kitchen. It is easily integrated as part of the open space with an island table which will be the center for all your social gathering. The kitchen is designed with a dry kitchen countertop, a wet kitchen section, and is a spacious environment catered to the daily cooking and washing. This layout has a junior master bedroom with an attached bathroom. The common bedrooms are spacious and can also be used as a study. The master bedroom is huge with sufficient space for a dressing table and king-size bed. The walk-in wardrobe comes with illuminated see-through doors that exhibit your best attire. Wash up in the adjoined bathroom or take a relaxing dip in your bathtub like a king, for you deserve it. Pinetree Hill is sited in Ulu Pandan and is surrounded by private residences. The next youngest development is the Trizon that was completed in 2012 and have already transacted at 2,200 per square feet for a 12-year-old development. Pinetree Hill units start from 2,320 per square feet, which is only 5% more for a new development. Pinetree Hill attracts families who appreciate green nature and love to return home from work to a restful and quiet environment sandwiched between Dover and Clementi forests. Families with young children registering for Primary 1 are within 1 kilometer of Henry Park Primary School and gets an advantage on the placement into this popular primary school. For details about this residence, scan the QR code to visit the Pinetree Hill show fair today. If, however, you are looking for the east side of Singapore and closer to the beach, then you should consider this new condo instead. Grand Dunman has multiple 5-bedroom and penthouse types, and the one that stands out is this 5-bedroom grand layout at 2,131 square feet. Returning home from work through a private access lift, enjoy your favorite show in the comfort of your wide living room, or pick up a glass from the counter in the dry kitchen and get a drink from your wine collection. This layout is huge as it comes with a junior master bedroom with its own toilet and a large preparation kitchen that is connected to a foyer, helper's room and a storeroom. This layout is efficient with 1 common bedroom designed to face the inward of the building so as to eliminate a long walkway. All the bedrooms can fit a queen-size bed. Retreating to your own master bedroom, be greeted first by the broad squarish room which not only can fit a king-size bed but also a dressing table or your personal massage chair. The walk-in wardrobe is at a separate corner of the bedroom and the toilet has 2 wash basins to cater to the husband and wife's individual needs in the morning. Grand Dunman is located at the city fringe by the edge of a landed estate. It is just opposite the Dakota MRT that serves the Circle Line, where residents can easily reach Marina Bay and the Central Business District within 30 minutes. For those commuting by car, it is only 10 minutes via the ECP. Families travelling to the beach to spend an afternoon can easily do so with a short 10 minutes drive south to the East Coast Park. Comparing to other new condominiums, Tembusu Grand, which is sited further away from the city and the MRT station, has already transacted over 2,300 per square feet. The Waterbank at Dakota, which is an 11-year-old development just next to Grand Dunman, has already transacted at 2,290 per square feet. Yet the 5-bedroom grand units at Grand Dunman only start from 2,397 per square feet. A 5% difference for a 11 years age gap. Grand Dunman is 1 kilometer to Kong Hwa School and Tanjong Katong Primary School, which are both popular primary schools in the east of Singapore. It is also near the well-known Tanjong Katong Girls' School and Chung Cheng High School. This makes Grand Dunman an ideal home for nurturing children with a good education. Keen to discover more? Scan the QR code above and come see us at the show flat today. Are you looking for something closer to the MRT station and a good primary school? Then you have the city's apartment at Watten House. Built by the same developer as Pinetree Hill, the 5-bedroom apartment at Watten House is 2,368 square feet big, with a larger kitchen and yard area. Coming home from the private lift, is greeted by the wide living room. The ceiling height of about 3.2 meters elevates the spatial experience, making every room bigger than that of the typical new condo that's built today. The master bedroom is so big that it can not only accommodate a king-size bed, a walk-in wardrobe, but also a study desk flush to the wall. All the bedrooms are connected directly to a bathroom, providing privacy to every member of the family. And the hired help has her own washroom near the kitchen. Watten House is a low-density residence just next to a landed homes cluster with a land size of over 220,000 square feet. The closest condominium with a comparable land size is the Shelford, which is 19 years old. Watten House is 1 kilometer to Nanyang Primary School and a stroll to Tan Kah Kee MRT station. It is also 1 kilometer to Raffles Girls Primary School, National Junior College, Nanyang Girls High School, and Hwa Chong Institution, making this the ideal environment to raise gifted children. With all the penthouses sold out and with only the last 3 5-bedroom units available, it is obvious that the large units at Watten House are extremely popular with the local and foreign buyers looking to live in this exclusive estate. For more information about Watten House, scan the QR code you see here and come visit us today. While it's good to be excited about your new home, we need to proceed with caution. Over the years of helping home buyers, here are 3 mistakes commonly made that cost them money. Here's a video that talks about the 3 mistakes and how you can avoid them.